Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the wall and getting your tools into one place. First, remove nails and sand high spots so the surface is flat. You want full contact. Next, measure the wall height and cut strips with 2 to 3 cm extra for trimming. This gives you margin. Once cut, lay strips face down and verify zipper teeth align across adjacent panels. This prevents misalignment later. Make sure the adhesive or self-adhesive backing is ready before you pick up the first strip. You now apply the adhesive or peel the backing and position the first strip at the top, using a level to get a perfectly vertical edge. After tacking the top, engage the zipper teeth across the first third. This initial engagement sets the seam tension. Once the zipper is seated, smooth from the center out to expel air, and then work downward, engaging zipper sections as you go. If seams feel tight, unzip slightly and reseat before pressing. Make sure edges meet without overlap. You finish by trimming the extra 2 to 3 cm at the top and bottom with a sharp knife and straight edge for a crisp edge. Then roll the seam gently to ensure the zipper interlock and adhesive bond fully. Wipe away any squeeze out before it skins. Allow the cure time recommended by the manufacturer. If you find bubbles or misshated teeth, lift the zipper slightly, smooth toward the nearest open edge, or use a fine pin to pop and resmooth the trapped air. This fixes most faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.